Hey traders, John Howell here. In this video I'm going to give you guys a bit of a silver and gold update and the reason why we have a very high probability chance of continuing down in this market. Alright, let's get straight into it. Guys, do not place trade based on what you see in this video. Trading is risky. It can cause substantial financial loss and there's no guarantees of making money in the market, so be smart about the way you're trading. Also guys, first thing in the description, grab the free trading course that's going to help you with your mindset, biggest mistakes, chart reading techniques, trading systems. I'm going to give a whole big trading course away for free to help you guys out. So let me get straight into what I'm looking at here right now. Let me start off with the good old gold, okay? Now, what do we see here for starters? For starters, what are we looking at here? We're just looking at gold. We're going looking at this gold to the chart here. And what do we see on this daily chart? Pretty much nothing really, right? Nothing much is going on. But let's go have a look at this weekly chart here. And for you old school people, John, do not put the black bars up. I don't want to see the black bars. Show me the candlestick chart. For you guys. I'm having a great time. Having amazing. I'm about to finish off one of my most successful months of the year. Anyway, so having a great time. So let's have a look at this here. So we're looking at gold right now, okay, and we can see what's gold doing right now as we speak. Well, we can see that firstly, what can we see? We see that gold is still what? Gold is still pushing. Gold is still having a lot of problems breaking below this level through, or breaking above this level through here, isn't it? We've got a big drop down, but let's actually just remove that down. Let's actually just see what's happening right now. So we had this big, nice move up through here, had a bit of a double top, and we actually broke out. So now what can we see on the gold chart? The gold we can see on the gold chart, we can see a big move down. And now we're just simply just going sideways. See this here? Very similar to some sort of bear flag formation. So if we start to crack on gold, we're probably going to break this 2016 lows in gold. Now, let's go have a look at the good old silver price, because the silver price is actually creating a much weaker pattern right now. What is that weaker pattern? The weaker pattern is, as you can see, where we are at right now. Let me just see if I can bring this up through here. So there we go through there. Okay, so what are we looking at? What are we looking at right now? So we're looking at this. We're looking at this big move down here on gold. Okay, so let's see if I can bring up the. Let's go to the SILJ price. Let me bring up a lot more data here. So you can see this big move up in 2011. Blah blah blah. What's happening right now? So right now, okay, right now, what are we getting? We're getting a big move down. Okay, and as you can see on silver, what does silver continue to be doing? High, lower high, lower high, lower high, big move down. And then now what are we getting? We're getting this sideways movement. So if we start to crack below this low through here, now what is that in technical number terms? Let me bring up this chart through here. So if we start to crack these like $13 level here on the actual SLV, or let's actually go to the actual silver price. This price here, the silver price, yeah. So we're looking at if the silver price starts to crack down to say the 1350 level, 1375 level, then we're probably going to go for another run, and that's what I'm seeing here right now. Big move down, bit of a time here as well. If we start to crack, we're probably likely to go for another run on the downside. So the silver and gold market is actually looking very weak. And now if I go and share with you the GDX chart as well too, well the GDX, and this is the GDXJ and so on and so forth. But if I share this chart with you, look what's happening through here, right? This is nothing but bearishness in the markets. What is this? We have a high, a lower high, a lower high. We had a low, a lower low. And look at this drop down, and look at this, some sort of bear flag formation, very weak. We had this strong move down, very weak up. So if we start to crack this low through here, we're probably going to see a big run down and probably break this 2016 lows through there. Now, the actual number for that is so if we start to crack 1750, we start to crack this low through here, and we start to get some movement on the downside through there. If we start to crack that, then the next target would be, let me see if I can bring up my other weekly chart through here. Then the next target would be down here on on gold, and so that would be it's probably going to race back down towards the $12 level there, or it's probably going to break the 2016 lows and continue down. So it'd be really interesting to see what's happened. We did just break out of this sideways movement, so I'm very bearish right now on silver and gold. I do expect to see another leg down, and then also the GDX as well too. I do expect to see another leg down, but we need to see confirmation first. The confirmation is when we start to break below, say, this $18 level. Then we're probably going to see a nice, and we're going to see probably then a big drop down, a very sharp, strong drop in the metals, and maybe that's going to go inside with the stock market pulling back as well too. So there we go, guys. There's a bit of a silver and gold update. There's, warning, guys. There's a lot of weakness in the silver and gold market right now, and especially the gold stocks. Same with the HUI, obviously, sort of same thing as well too. Look at this HUI, very, very big, strong selling down, lower high, lower high, lower high. We've got a big, strong selling down move. We've got this very, very weak pullback, guys. Again, with the HUI as well too. If the HUI starts to break below this 130 level, then I would say this HUI on, let me bring up this weekly chart here. Then the HUI, the HUI one breaks the 130 level. Then we're probably going to head back down towards the 100 and then probably break below that because there's going to be a lot of stops through there. Before you go, make sure you grab the free Grab the Markets by the Balls training course. In this training course, you're going to learn the top 13 deadly mistakes, the success formula, charting boundaries, the PT method, the ultimate trading system, the blast off trading system, #1 in trading indicator, the $1 million trade and money management, how successful traders approach the market, and so much more. Get this training course for free right now. Click on the very first link in the description to get this whole complete trading course to give you the edge on your side of trading this market. Do that right now, and I'll see you on the other side.